Yes guys, so welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I've got something very special inside this box. You probably already know it because it's in the title. So I'll quickly unbox it. So I've got amber corners for the Civic, for my project hub. That's the driver side, and this is the passenger side one. It's easy to fit, so yeah, I'll fit it now. I'll show you how to fit it. All you do is you open the bonnet, and if you look closer, you can see that there's a screw there. So literally all you do is get the screwdriver and you literally just unscrew it. And literally this should just clip out. And then you just unclip this. And that's it. And then you get the amber cord on. And then you clip this in. I'll put that in there for now. So I've just figured out this is meant to be a bulb, so I need to get a bulb for that. I'll just put it in because cars are being driven. I'll just put it in there, and then it literally just clips in. So if you bring that here, bring it here, you can see them two holes there. So these two will literally just clip into there, and then line up where that screw was before. So that just screws in. And you do the same with this side. You unscrew this side. That's broken, nothing is here. It's a 1993 car, 27-year-old car, so obviously it was bound to break. But what can we do? There's that before, this just clips out, and then literally you know, I've just realised that there's no point me taking out, this just clips out. So you've got to turn it. And then the bulbs are out there. What an idiot I am. I knew I'd done something wrong. So if you see on this side, now that will literally go in there.
That's for you. I know we said forever. Love don't always make it through. Sometimes even the good things get lost along the way. We opened up the same book but found a different page. Cause honestly, your loyalties, insecurities and pride.
So I just literally slot right in there. And the screw goes in there again. Move back a bit. Purple screw.
Priorities ain't the same. For harmony, it's the only thing I can say. I wish you well. I wish you well. I wish you well. I wish you well.
So literally, this is in now, as you can see. It's not lined up properly, but I've managed to somehow get it to line up. So that's in. Like, it's awesome that. Should add this fish actually does it. That should be alright. And then this one. This should just clip out. I've already unscrewed it. So obviously, this will get connected in here. And obviously it goes right in here. So that's it now. Just gonna finish tightening it. Come from far. That looks awesome. How much better does that look? It looks like that. That makes the car look a lot different now compared to the originals. So it's this side. Yeah, that looks a lot nicer. I'll put a before and after picture up. I'll get in the car now, I'll switch the car on, switch the lights on, indicators, see if it all works. And then yeah. Right, so the car's gonna be switched on in about 3 months. So I'll switch on right now. And I'll obviously check the amber corner lights. First time. Put it on here. Right side indicator is on. Yes. That side. Yes. Right, that looks awesome. Game changer that. I'm going to respray that lip black now. I'm probably going to do a carbon wrap on the bonnet. And I need to take this black thing off. That will be the next couple of videos. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed. I've got a lot more videos coming up. I've got a few more bits I've arrived. And I've got a few more bits I've arrived. They'll be going on very soon. And make sure you subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
And every day is a lesson. In the now, like this ain't depression. And shaitan in my ear, like grab that, you can't lie, yeah, it's tempting. And heart of a soldier, what? Think I'm phased by riding.